Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 18 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge as we try to grow my portfolio to $10,000 in the first year of investing. Right now, as you can see, the portfolio is at $6,897 or 9.75% all time. So we're still up a decent amount. Lately, the stock market has been crashing a little bit, which just gives us opportunity to buy more stocks. I'm going to be investing in two separate stocks today, and we'll go through those as the video goes along. I wanted to also update you guys on the total dividends earned from my portfolio. So in total, we have earned $90.79 with this portfolio. Now that's all time. That's not how I'm making per month. I think this month I had about $15.59, which is still a decent amount of income. And that's going to continue to increase as we invest more into these high yield dividend companies. My strategy, as I've mentioned many times before, is diving into these growth dividend stocks for the most part. First one being VFV. I know we invested a little bit into VFV last week, but I want to increase my position, especially because it's down about 1.34%. So I want to buy two shares of VFV today into the TFSA. Again, we deposited about $200 into the account. So we'll just confirm that. Buy two shares of VFV. Awesome. The other investment I'm going to make this week is actually in a company called Fortis. So as we scroll down here, Fortis is kind of an electric and gas company with a 3.58% yield. Right now I'm currently holding 3.3% of my portfolio. So I just want to buy one more share of this just to kind of dollar cost average over time. I think Fortis is a great long-term hold company. Again, a kind of growth dividend stock. So those are going to be the buys for this week. Again, two shares of VFV and one share of Fortis. Hopefully the stock market can kind of bounce back after today's lows. I'm sure it'll eventually come back. And that's why I continue to dollar cost average these different stocks. Apart from that, I know I had some comments saying you should have a watch list for the following bi-weekly. And I really like to pick my stocks within a week of choosing them. I think for next week, different stocks that I'm looking into is actually increasing my position in RY, ticker symbol RY, which is Royal Bank of Canada. I have not invested in Royal Bank of Canada in a long period of time, as well as incorporating more of my one ETF that I have been investing in for a long period of time, and that is VDY. So next week I'm looking at those, as well as increasing my position in Tesla. I really think Tesla is a great company, long-term growth hold, and I do want to increase my position into Tesla because I do have a little bit of Tesla in this stock here, QQC.F, which is a NASDAQ 100. As well as in the VFV stock as well. But I do want to increase that solo position into Tesla in the future as well. So those are the stocks I'm looking for the next 2 weeks or so. Those are the buys that I had today. Again, if you guys have never tried Wealthsimple, link in the description. You'll get 2 free stocks if you sign up for Wealthsimple using my code, as well as Shakepay as well. So that's all we'll have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.